Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style home decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage style home decoration is all about bringing the charm, warmth, and nostalgia of past eras into your home. It celebrates time-worn beauty, craftsmanship, and a sense of storytelling through decor. Every piece, from furniture to fabrics, feels like it has a story or memory at rest. Here are some beautiful and practical tips for decorating your home in vintage style. Add natural textures. Use linen curtains, cotton cushions, crochet covers, and lace tablecloths to soften the atmosphere. These natural materials give warmth and a handmade charm. Include floral patterns and floral prints through curtains, pillows, rugs, or wallpaper. Choose a small, delicate flowers for a soft, romantic vibe. Use mirrors and frames, hand-ornate mirrors or vintage-style frames to reflect light and add elegance. Antique gold or white painted frames look especially charming. Repurpose old items. Turn old suitcases into storage boxes, crates into shelves, or teacups into candle holders. Upcycling adds personality to your home. Add fresh touches. Place flowers or potted plants in old vases, mason jars, or ceramic jugs to blend life with nostalgia. Highlight a statement antique. Choose one standout vintage piece, like an old razor, ornate mirror, or vintage piano, and let it be the focal point of the room. Build your decor around it for harmony and balance. Use distressed wood finishes. Opt for furniture or frames with a weathered, whitewashed, or faded finish. This gives your space an authentic, lived-in, and romantic country feel. Decorate with handmade textiles. Add embroidered cushions, crochet drawers, lace runners, or quilted blankets. Handmade textures give the room warmth and a personal, nostalgic touch. Add candlelight and lanterns. Use candlesticks, lanterns, or tea lights to create soft lighting. Candlelight enhances the cozy, nostalgic glow that vintage interiors are known for. Mix metals thoughtfully. Combine brush, bronze, or etched gold finishes for handles, frames, or light fixtures. Avoid shiny chrome. Etched metals feel warmer and more authentic. Bring nature indoors. Decorate with dried flowers, eucalyptus branches, or pressed botanical prints. These natural touches fit beautifully with vintage aesthetics. Mix eras gracefully. Don't stick to just one decade. Blend touches from the 1920s, 1940s, or 1960s. Layer rugs and fabrics. Layer rugs, drawers, and fabrics to add comfort and richness. Display memories creatively. Frame letters, postcards, or pressed flowers, anything sentimental, and use them as wall decor. Decorate with old glassware. Place colored glass bottles, crystal vases, or perfume jars on shelves or tables. Create a diamond wall effect. Try a fox distressed paint finish or subtle floral wallpaper with a faded look. Add whimsical touches. Add bird cages, typewriters, gramophones, or vintage clocks as decor. Highlight craftsmanship. Choose pieces that show handmade beauty. Wood carvings, embroidered linens, hand-painted ceramics. Use gentle, romantic lighting. Use fabric lampshades, soft bulbs, fairy lights, or candlelight. The warm, golden glow turns any corner into a cozy, nostalgic nook. Bring in vintage florals everywhere. Add floral beauty through cushions, wallpaper, framed prints, or even china sets. Add open shelves with display pieces. Use open shelves to display your favorite treasures, vintage teacups, glass bottles, or old cookbooks. It feels personal, warm, and beautifully imperfect. Decorate with books and music. Stick old hardcover books on coffee tables, or use vinyl records, gramophones, or sheet music as part of your decor. Incorporate soft handmade details. Add crochet trolleys, embroidered pillows, knitted drawers, or lace runners. Add nature-inspired elements. Decorate with dried flowers, botanical prints, small potted plants, and wooden textures. Use mirrors to add light. Place ornate or oval mirrors opposite windows to reflect soft light. Include wicker and rattan details. A touch of rattan baskets Wicker chairs or oven trays adds rustic warmth, perfect for blending country and vintage aesthetics. Keep a calm, cozy atmosphere. Avoid clutter. Choose meaningful decor pieces. Leave breathing space and let each object shine. Let light feel soft and dreamy. Use sheer curtains, frosted lamps, or vintage candeliers to create a golden, glowing light. Choose furniture with a story. Seek out pieces that look loved, a dresser with own handles, an armchair with floral upholstery, or a table with curved legs. Add lace and crochet touches. Use lace placemats, crochet curtains, or dollies under vases. Use frames creatively. Even empty ornate frames can add beauty. Hang them layered on walls or place small paintings inside large frames for an artistic gallery feel. Add oven or wooden storage. Use tartan baskets, wooden crates, or old trunks for charming storage solutions that keep the look authentic and warm. Scent the space like the past. Add scents that feel timeless: vanilla, rose, lavender, sandalwood. Use candles, sachets, or essential oil diffusers to create a gentle vintage aroma. Tell a story with every detail. Let every page, a vase, a book carry meaning. Vintage style is not about things, it's about stories, emotions, and memory. Layer candlelight everywhere. Use candles in glass holders, brushed candlesticks, or old bottles. Add vintage-inspired wallpaper. Choose soft floral, tile, or floral damask patterns for accent walls. Use antique glass bottles and perfume jars. Arrange colored glass bottles, perfume jars, or apothecary-style containers on shelves or vanities. Thanks for watching the video.